welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Regional Plan 2021 not enforced. Ambitious schemes not getting through. Alternate revenue schemes just on paper. Government lost track on MOI. Opposition takes on government in style. PWD Minister asks Mines and Forest Department to clear off dumps around Salauli Dam. Reports claim high level of manganese in dam water. Congress says HSRP should be distributed free of cost to people, demands scrapping of HSRP without electronic chips. And Prasad Fatharpekar finds no place on Phadke's panel. Will accommodate him as co-opt, says Phadke. Shashikant Sardesai finds reasons to blame electioneering. And now the news in detail. Regional Plan 2021 has not been enforced till date. Government's proposed ambitious schemes are not getting through. Lokayukta is not appointed even after 100 days. Government has lost its track on medium of instruction. While the government has cut revenue on petroleum VAT, the alternate resource mobilization schemes haven't taken off. The leader of opposition and Congress in opposition came down heavily on the Parrikar government during the discussion on governor's speech.
Regrets that the address fails to mention about the government of the state while celebrating the Golden Jubilee year for its liberation of the state. Thank the freedom fighters who are not there with us today, and to those who have been there, have given their best part of their lives for the liberation of Goa. Also to thank those elected representatives of democratic Goa who are not there with us today, but have rendered yeoman service for the development of the state. Thank the schemes that have been announced but have not been implemented so far. Only announcements have been made since the last 100 days. That the Regional Plan 2011 is yet to take off since the new government had taken over. To announce a policy of medium of instructions and has backtracked on the issue without direction. Lok Ayukta is yet to be appointed.
Economics अशी आहा की alternate resource mobilization म्हणटा तें जर सारकें जाग्यार ना जाल्यार populist measures can also take you down. I am not saying that I oppose the reduction on VAT, but I am also saying that there is no activity visual to see that alternate resource mobilization has been put in place. When the issue of heritage came up, as of now, our departed leader and the Honorable ex-Tourism Minister Mathani Saldana's first statement was that heritage tourism आम्ही welcome करतले म्हणून. आज heritage tourismaक नवे tourism ministran कितें केलां, खंयची policy आहा, कितें तुम्ही protection दिता heritage tourismaक, whether museums heritagean तुम्ही हे करतात, काय UNESCO म्हळ्यार भिवन heritageचे पयस रावल्या काय म्हणून. Chief Minister had made a mention of development grant for MLAs of 5 crores. 1 rupee has not been given to any opposition MLA. I don't know why any MLA is not talking about this.
There is only one place where he has mentioned GSTP. We are talking of growth. When we talk of the 12th plan, we talk of the 10th plan, we talk of the 11th plan. The state growth, it is said in his own speech that it was 8.3% in 2001. It was 10.6 vis-a-vis on 2009-2010. In fact, all over the country, there is a decline. There is a recession. Not only that, there are a lot of things which are happening. If you go to see, he has spoken only once about the GSTP, which needs to be more addressed.
माननीय विरोधी पक्षनेत्यांच्या नदरेक हांव एक गोष्ट हाडून दिवपाक सोदतां की त्या MOIचो उल्लेख राज्यपालांच्या ह्या अभिभाशणांत ना. राज्यपालांनी हाजेर कांयच हे म्हणू ना. सरकारान एक निर्णय घेतला, तोय बीन आमी सरकाराक सांगला की हो निर्णय तात्पुरतो आसा, हो निर्णय आमकां मान्य ना, हो निर्णय बदलसर भायर जे आंदोलन चलना ते आंदोलन चालू उरतलें. पण त्याच बरोबर ह्या सभागृहानूय ती चर्चा आमी चालू दवरतले. इतलें जरी असलें तरी एक गोष्ट खरी की चंद्र आसलो तरी त्या चंद्राक सुद्दां खंय तरी एक खत आसता. त्या प्रमाणे एमओआयचो इश्यू एक बारीकशें खत अशें आमी मानतात.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar has asked the Mines and Forest Department to clear off the dumps around Salauli Dam. KP MLA Babu Kaulekar and Santandru MLA Vishnu Surya Wagh had raised the issue of mining dumps in the vicinity of the dam. MLA's quoted reports that the manganese level in the dam water has been extremely high and is hazardous to health.
The report in the local dailies regarding the water supply from Salauli Dam are disturbing since concerned with the public health and safety. I desire to draw the attention of the House on this matter of urgent public importance. 0.1 mg per liter manganese permissible असा पण सध्याच्या कंडिशनाक 3.5 manganese थंय स्टोर जाल्ले आसा जेणे करून खूपसो त्रास जाता.
फाटले 3 दीस पीडब्ल्यूडीचे जे अधिकारी आसात या अधिकाऱ्यांनी दक्षिण गोंयांत वचपी उदकाची पुरवण ही बऱ्याच प्रमाणात कमी केल्या. त्याचे कारण म्हणजे या सबंद उदकाचे जे शुद्धीकरण आसा ते शुद्धीकरण एका दिसान करप हे खात्याक शक्य जायना. ताचेर प्रचंड लोड येता. सो ह्याच्या प्रश्नाच्या मुळाकडेन वचपाची गरज आसा आणि म्हाका अशें दिसता की माननीय मंत्री महोदयानी हातून लक्ष तर घालचेच, पण ताजे खातीर एक नवी यंत्रणा थंय आतां ऑपरेट करची पडटली आणि ह्या नव्या यंत्रणे खातीर जे कोणाच्यो खाणी ह्या शाळेच्या भोंवतणी चलतात किंवा चलताल्यो त्या सगळ्याचेर सेस बसोवन तांचे कडल्यान पयसो वसूल करून हांगा थंय ती नवी यंत्रणा बसोवची.
जी नोंद ह्या सभागृहात रिगार्डिंग साळावली वॉटर प्लांट हांगा जाल्या ती खरी आसा आनी म्हाकाय वायट दिसता. 170 खाणी न्हय त्यो 17 खाणी आसा आनी ह्या खातीर कालूच हांवें इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिल्या टू द चीफ इंजिनियर PHE की एनवायरमेंट, मायनिंग आणि फॉरेस्ट सगळे डायरेक्टराक कमिशनराक लेटर कर आणि हे जो डंप आसा ते इमिजिएट मोकळे करपाक थंयच्यान दुसरे कडेन व्हरून घालपाक त्या जे कोणी उडयल्या तांकां सांग.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Madgaon police have registered offence against unknown persons for committing theft of gold ornaments and cash worth 1,22,000 rupees at Ambaji Fatorda. Meanwhile, team of Madgaon police on Wednesday arrested 2 persons in Pune for their involvement in burglary, extortion and arms cases.
Madgaon police have registered offence against some unknown persons for committing theft of gold ornaments and cash worth rupees 1,22,000 from a bungalow in Maria Symphony Colony at Ambaji Fatorda.
मागीर येयल्यार सगळें उगडलेलें आहा लॉक बी मोडून आनी मागीर भितर पयलें आख्खें क्लोथ्स बीन सगळें काडून उडयलां आनी गोल्ड मिसींग. गोल्ड बी आसतलें लायक nearly 2 lakhs.
Meanwhile, team of Madgaon police on Wednesday arrested 2 persons in Pune for their involvement in burglary, extortion and arms cases. Nilesh Dattatray Chaugule and Salim Mehboob Sheikh, both from Pune, have been arrested. Earlier, Madgaon police had arrested 4 members of the gang, but the duo were absconding. The accused used to commit burglaries in isolated buildings by first surveying the buildings by sending a minor girl. Minor girl was earlier detained by the police and was sent to Apnagar for remand. Our reporters from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt and Savio Dias.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.